Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are coping very well with this heat. It is very hot on my end. So in today's video, I am going to show you a simple and delicious way how to make you some chicken barbecue. If you're new here, I welcome you, and if you're interested, keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's get cooking. All right, my Dadas team, let's get started. First, we are going to start off by making our seasoning. I have there 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now I'm gonna use this Cajun season, which is called Slap Your Mama. Very weird name, right? So I'm going to use Cajun seasoning, and I'm also going to be using smoked paprika. Now you want to make sure you season your chicken really good before, starting the barbecue process. Now I'm going to go ahead and add onion powder. Now you want to eyeball everything. I'm using, my regular spoon that I eat with. I would say it's like a tablespoon, and just put 2. If you need more, just adjust it how you like it. I'm using like onion powder and garlic powder. Okay, if you have a lot of chicken, I would say make a lot. It will not even go to waste. If you have any leftover, I would say keep it in the fridge or store it in a dry cool place for a next use, so you will not, be wrong for making too much, depending on how much chicken you are planning on barbecuing. Okay, after adding my brown sugar, smoked paprika, onion powder, Cajun seasoning, and garlic powder, onion powder. Now to that, I'm going to use some baking powder. Okay, a little bit of baking powder. All right. If you're new here, I welcome you. If you're a returning subscriber, I also welcome you. If you're new, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget that post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Now, let me know in the comment section if you will try this recipe. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of the smoked paprika to give the seasoning a little bit of color. So that's what I did exactly, and our dry seasoning is ready. Now my chicken was already washed and pat dry with paper towel. You want to make sure you wash your chicken really good. I washed it with lime and vinegar with salt. Okay, put that aside. Like I said again, make sure the chicken is pat dry. Now make sure you follow me on my other second YouTube channel, which is Hannah Simple Life. I do a simple, vlog day to day videos on there, so make sure you check my second YouTube channel, Hannah's Simple Life. So like I said again, the chicken was already washed. I pat dried with paper towel. You want to make sure you pat dried, make sure all the excess water is out of the chicken. All right, now let's go ahead and seasoning our chicken. Give this video a big like and a big thumbs up, and like I said again, if you're new, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. I want to thank all my old and returning subscribers for constantly watching my video. Now, making barbecue is not as hard as a lot of people may think. It is simple, but you have to know the steps on how to go about it. So you want to make sure you season your chicken with dry seasoning, okay, as I did here in the video. And the spices, if you I would put the list of spices that I use down in the description box. Okay, it's simply brown sugar, smoked paprika, Cajun season, any Cajun season you have. You don't necessarily have to be the slap your mama kind, any kind of Cajun seasoning. I use the smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and baking powder. All right, now you may want to ask why I use the baking powder. It will kind of give the barbecue a little bit of, a little bit crispy on the side a little bit. So I went ahead and seasoning my chicken. I'm going to go ahead and put that aside, keep it in the fridge while I prep the other ingredients. Then I'll come back and we'll proceed to the recipe. Give this video a big like and a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like and share and follow for more, and follow me on my second YouTube channel, Hannah Simple Life. All right, Now watch these videos to the end so that you can achieve in making you some delicious barbecue. This is a season where, people are having, barbecue party, and in, July 4th, I'm sure it's already passed. Actually, I made this on July 4th, but it's now that I'm posting it. So the chicken was in the fridge for a while, sitting in the fridge for a while, let it marinate a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and grease my pan. A little bit of oil, a little bit goes a long way, just to make sure it's not sticking from the bottom of the pan. All right, so I went ahead and greased my pan a little bit. Now my oven is already preheating to 450. Now you can adjust it to 425. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay all my chicken, as you can see, lay it all out like so accordingly. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven and let it bake for like 30 minutes on one side, and I'll come back and check on it. All right, give this video a big like, big thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave your comment down below and I will answer it accordingly. So now this is the barbecue that I'm using, which everyone, you can find this in any local grocery store. All right, I'm using the Hookery Smoke. All right, and like I said, it's as simple as that. Now you don't want to just wash your chicken and start making barbecue and put the barbecue sauce on it. There's process to it. All right, there's steps to it by achieving the most delicious, tastiest barbecue chicken. All right. All right, so you don't just get the barbecue sauce and just start making. You guys see how I blend up different types of spice? Now that's what you want to start off with if you want your barbecue chicken to come out really, really tasty. So it's been in the oven for like 30 minutes on one side. I went ahead and flip it. Now all that juice that comes out from the chicken, you want to make sure you pour it out. All right, you want to make sure you pour it out, because obviously it's a lot of juice that come out from the chicken. I'm actually not even going to throw that juice away. I'm going to save it. Okay, I'm going to save it. For what reason, I don't know. I'll figure out what I want to do with it. So now after flipping the chicken on the other side, I'm going to put it back in the oven and let it bake again for another additional 30 minutes. Now you can adjust it 30 minutes or 25 minutes less, or 30 minutes to the max. Now it's been 30 minutes. Now on that one side, I'm coming back again, remove the chicken, and then scoop some of that juice out again one more time. All right, now after you scoop some of those juice out, you can actually leave that little bit there, but I decide to just scoop some of the juice out. It will not hurt if it's like a little bit, but if it's like a lot, I would say, go ahead and scoop it out. All right, if you're enjoying this video, one more time, you already know what to do. Give this video a big like, big thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Leave your comment down below and let me know if you enjoy watching this video by giving me a thumbs up, by commenting also. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my pastry brush. I'm going to go ahead and make sure every chicken is, sauce up the chicken with barbecue. Now this time I'm going to go make sure all the chicken, I'm using chicken thighs anyway, like the half chicken thighs. You can use chicken drumstick, you can use wings, any part of the chicken that you desire in making your barbecue. Now if you don't want to put this in the oven, you can also put it in the air fryer, which it might be probably quicker. So I went ahead and put the barbecue on the chicken on one side. Now I'm going to just go ahead and put it back in the oven. This time around, I would say no more than 10 minutes. I would say 5 to 6, in between 5 to 10 minutes, in between there, from 5 to 10 minutes. It don't necessarily have to be 10 minutes, but just for a little bit so that the barbecue will cook. So now you're going to go ahead and flip it on the other side. Yes, I know there's a lot of flipping and turning that's going on here, but trust me, once you're done, you would tell me again. It will come out really good and really, really tasty. Now, depending on how saucy you want your barbecue chicken, now you can go ahead and add as much barbecue sauce as you want to make it a lot saucier. Some people like that barbecue really saucy, like when you like really eating it. Trust me, you will lick your lips, your finger. You will also need a napkin on the side. So like I said, that is up to you how saucy you want the barbecue. If it's not too saucy, you can still go ahead and add more. So I'm going to go ahead after flipping it on the from the other side. I'm going to now add more barbecue sauce. Make sure, like I said, it's your desire how saucy you want the barbecue. You can just slap everything on there and just rub it on there and put it back in the oven for, like I said, between 5 to 10 minutes, not even 10. I would say put it in for like 6 to 8 minutes, okay, to the max, just so the barbecue will stick really, really good. Like I said again, you can keep repeating the same process, back and forth flipping, back and forth flipping, you know, depending on how saucy you want it. You could just pour the whole sauce on top at this time. So after putting it in the oven, and this is the end result. Now look how beautiful this barbecue chicken look, guys. Like I said again, um I think this is a repeat part that I'm doing, but anyway, yeah, this is a repeat part. I think I downloaded twice, but you already know, guys. I should have cut this part out anyway, but so but let's watch it anyway. Yeah, so you're gonna go ahead and put it back in the oven, and for, like I said, 6 to 8 minutes, and then now you can enjoy your barbecue as is. You can enjoy it with salad, you can enjoy it with mac and cheese, you can enjoy it with potato salad, whatever rocks your boat. I am going to be enjoying my barbecue chicken with, there is this pasta recipe that I made. It doesn't include in this video, but I will be more than happy to upload that video because I did film it. It's a simple pasta recipe that I made, and I'll be more than happy to show you guys that pasta recipe. Is so simple. Like I said again, you can enjoy it with potato salad, you can enjoy it with just simply plain salad, or you can enjoy it with mac and cheese, whatever you want to enjoy your chicken barbecue with, or just as is, as a protein. So like I said again, I'll be more than happy to upload that pasta recipe. That's what you will see, that at the end of the video when I'm plating everything. All right, so slapping on the barbecue sauce, then put it in the oven. Like this video, give this video a big like, big thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're new. The main important thing is to turn on your post notification bell so that you know whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget, like I said again one more time, to follow me on my second YouTube channel, which is Hannah Simple Life. I do a slow living video there while cleaning my house, making my bed, just a day-to-day diary of my lifestyle, living slow. So if you're interested in videos like that, you can hop up on my channel, Hannah Simple Life, and watch me, just taking one day at a time and just, living slow. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit. You already know the gist of the barbecue chicken, but like I said, this is the end result, and I'm adding more barbecue, okay, because I have more left over on the bowl. I say, why not? Like I said again, it all depends how saucy you want it, and you can just add as much barbecue as you want. All right, and don't make sure you burn the barbecue chicken. You want to make sure you add it, bake it for like no more than 8 minutes, 6 to 8 minutes at least. Okay. All right. All right, my little steam, as you can see, this is the end result. Yes, they said eat with your eyes, smell with your eyes, but I'm telling you, look how beautiful this barbecue chicken looks, and it as not only looking good, it also tastes good too. And I hope you guys will try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below if you will try this recipe and what will you be enjoying this barbecue chicken on the side with. All right, like I said again, I'll be more than happy to upload that pasta video that I made, which is very simple. It was so simple and so delicious also. But it's your choice to see whatever you want to enjoy your barbecue chicken with, but that's what we enjoy our barbecue chicken with. All right, this is the salad that I'm plating the barbecue chicken is just for decoration, for to plate it out for you guys, for just to decorate it nicely for you guys. But like I said, you guys will see how I'm plating up the pasta video, pasta on the plate with the barbecue chicken. I'll be more than happy next, probably coming up next with after this video. All right, give this video a big like. If you watch this far, you have just successfully made yourself a delicious chicken barbecue that your whole family will enjoy. And if you never tried chicken barbecue before, I would say try my recipe and thank me later. And now this is the pasta recipe that I was talking about. If you guys are interested, leave a comment down below and let me know you would like to know how I made that. Like, it's not just boiled pasta, it has great seasoning to it and it's very, very tasty. Okay, so it's not just a plain pasta. And I thank you all so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, I'll see you all in my next upload. Like, share, and comment. And thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you all in my next upload. Bye bye.